Hey guys, welcome back to Pretty Little Things by Yashu. So today we are doing cucumber curd curry. So this will be a very nice dish. So here is a list of ingredients. Green chilies 3 to 4, grated coconut 3 tablespoon, mustard seeds, garlic 2, jeera, red chilies 2, oil, hing, coriander, curry leaves, curd is 1 by 4 liter, black pepper 5 to 6, cucumber small sized and salt to taste. Now let us see how to do this. In a mixer jar, I am taking 4 green chilies, 2 garlic cloves and some coriander leaves. I'm also adding 5 to 6 black pepper, some cumin seeds to this mixer jar. Next, I'm adding 3 tablespoons of grated coconut to this mixer jar. So you have to use 3 tablespoons of grated coconut to get a final paste. Now, finally, grind this paste using the required amount of water. You have to use a required amount of water to grind this paste or to get a final paste. So, after grinding these ingredients, you get a fine paste like this. Heat a tablespoon of oil or ghee in the tadka pan and add some mustard seeds and hing to this pan. Now, I'm also adding some curry leaves and one red chili to this pan. So now you have to mix well in the lower flame. I have chopped cucumber into 1 inch size cubes and add some little water. Before adding the water, you have to mix well for 5 minutes and add some water and cook the vegetables for 5 minutes. So after 5 to 10 minutes, now I'm adding the grounded paste to this pan and mix it well for 5 minutes. So this will be the best combination for the ragi ball. And now add some salt to this pan. So this will be a very better or nice dish and you can do within 5 minutes. So now cook for another 10 to 15 minutes on a low flame and turn off the flame. Now add 3/4 cup of curd and mix well, but don't turn on the flame while you are adding the curd. It tastes great. Serve it hot with the rice and buttermilk chilies, that is a fried chili. Do try it and let me know in the comment section. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.